Hi, my name is Shahinur. Today I want to show how to edit the post. Previous video I just create a function how to edit and I just show how to edit and how to update. And for this tutorial um, is my seventh number of tutorial. So if you do not understand my mistake English, so forgive me. And I'm just learning the English. If you anyone fluent in English, you can teach me how to improve my English. So just go to your uh, project, just edit and update. And how to update, just create a route, like look like the route, patch your route name, post slash id, post controller, your function name. Just copy the function name and go to the controller. I just create my function name, public function. My function name request, look like this portion, request, variable and id. Mm, just id, and find the id number, post slash find, and update the request number of input field value and all. And just mm, uh, show the all post table and go to the home. Just look like I think you understand. And my route, set up my route. I just edit.blade.php, go to edit.blade.php, and action name look like url post slash id, url slash post slash id, method post, and just at the rate method pass you can select, and you can name the update. When you when you you look like my name is Shahin and my image name and my description. And when you click update, you go to your controller and go to find the id and request the all content and update function, the Laravel default function, and update your post and go to the home directory. Just update. I think my internet has gone. I just reload. I just check my internet. I think my internet has gone. I just restarted my internet. My project is live, so I need a internet connection. I think my internet has gone. Okay, you can show the your update. You can just edit. I can just update. If anything a mistake, just uh, ask to comment section, and I'll try to solve your problem. So I think you understand. This is my internet problem, so I cannot show the output. I think you understand this portion. You can find the source code in GitHub or other source. I just put my comment section. I think you'll understand. So okay, I think next video I will show the output. Thank you so much.